Let's say you came across this question in your chemistry exam. How will you solve it? It is very easy. Now let's solve together. The question says, the formula of the compound formed in a reaction between a trivalent metal M, listen properly, and a tetravalent non-metal X is, wow, this question is extremely very easy. So what I want us to determine is determine the chemical formula of a compound that is formed, listen, between a metal and a non-metal. You just listen and listen properly. They said that the metal and the non-metal undergone a reaction, or we simply call it bonding. Are you there? So they want us to now determine the kind of chemical formula they will form. And also they were being specific. They said that the metal was trivalent. What does that mean? Listen. First of all, this is the metal. The metal is symbolized as M. And they told me that the metal was what? Trivalent. Now, just listen, there's something I have to tell you. Note this. You must understand here that in chemistry, metals are positively charged, whereby non-metals are negatively charged. Listen to what I just said. It will help you a lot. Metals are positively charged, whereby non-metals are what? Negatively charged. Are you there? And from the question, they were specific about the charges of this element, which is metal M and non-metal X. Are you there? They said that the metal M was what? Trivalent. What does the word trivalent mean? It simply means that that metal was charged, and specifically it has a 3 charge. But since I told you that metals are positively charged, so it means that this metal was what? Positively charged like this. Listen and listen good, all right? I told you metals are generally positively charged, whereby non-metal, and they told me also that the non-metal was what? Tetravalent. Tetra simply means 4. Are you there? And I told you non-metals are negatively charged, so it's going to be -4. Are you there? Listen and listen good. Now, when elements like these, metals and non-metals, want to bond together to get a chemical formula, listen, this is what happens. Listen, what simply happens is that the elements, which are metals and non-metals, exchange those charges. Specifically, the numbers between these elements will be exchanged. Do you understand? So this is what happens. Listen and listen good. The 3 I'm having here for the metal, the +3 charge, goes to the non-metal. This is what happens, all right? Look at what happened. Listen and listen good. Are you not seeing what's happening? Whereby the -4 charge basically goes to what? The metal. So we've exchanged their charges. This is how compounds are formed. Specifically, inorganic compound, not organic, all right? Inorganic compound. And what kind of inorganic compound? Ionic compounds. Now listen, you know, this topic basically is from a very vital aspect in chemistry called chemical bonding, all right? And I already have a full video lesson that explains everything you have to know on chemical bonding from the scratch, all right, up till mastery, understanding all the kinds of bonds, be it the electrovalent bonding or ionic bonding, covalent bonding, coordinate covalent bonding, metallic bonding, all the kinds of bonds, all right? So for you to be able to understand where this question is from, ensure you go watch that lesson on my YouTube channel to help you, you know, improve greatly in chemistry. So let's move over to finalize this question. And at the end of solving this question, I'm going to give you your own practice question so you solve and provide the answer in the comment section. Now, moving further, this is what I mean by exchanging their charges. So now M now will not carry this 4 and it comes down. Listen, what is actually moving is the number. Do you understand? What is actually moving is what? The number. Please pay attention. Whereby X now will not carry which one? The 3 has come. So X now be what? 3. So guys, this is the formula that will be formed between the reaction between a trivalent metal M and a tetravalent non-metal X. Are you there? You can see how it works. So what becomes the answer to this question? The answer to the question becomes option C. You can see how this question is very, very easy. It's not difficult at all. So get ready for your own practice question. And here is your own. The formula of the compound formed in a reaction between now this time around it's going to be a divalent. Listen, and I believe you know that di means 2. Are you there? And I believe you're aware that metals are positively charged and it's still M. All right. And now listen, here is now trivalent and a trivalent. Listen, and a trivalent non-metal X. So you tell me the chemical. This is your own question. All right. Tell me the chemical formula of the compound to be formed. We've come to the end of this video lesson. If you find my video lesson helpful, make sure you click on the subscribe button to my YouTube channel and also share my lessons with your friends. Thanks for watching.
To have more understanding about chemistry calculations and solving all of this type of questions, I already have them on the chemistry masterpiece, okay, which is calculations and keynotes in chemistry. So if you are preparing to write the JAM exam, this book is very, very important for you. Now, for more information getting the chemistry masterpiece, do well to direct message me via my WhatsApp number. It will be on the screen.